single?
Huh?
Oh. I was just wondering, man, because if you were single, man, this would be a perfect truck for you. Oh, look at this, man. You hunt?
Yep.
That's crazy, man, because you can put your deer back here, no straps or guns or whatever, man. Dude, look at this thing, man. Put your canoe on top. Dude, single guys, I would love this truck if I was single. Man, you put all your pool cues. Man, you can put your dog in the back here and have some fun, man, and it's comfortable at the same time. And it's four-wheel drive, so, you know, this thing's nice for a single guy. Or you ever think about having kids or something, get married, bro?
Yeah, I mean, eventually.
For real? That's crazy because I got the perfect truck for you, man. This is a 2024 Nissan Pathfinder, bro.
I like the color.
It's an SL premium package. So it has everything to keep your wife cool. At the same time, man, you'll look cool in this thing, too. Apple CarPlay, heated seats, heated steering wheel, man. Comfortable leather. For the kids, how many kids, man?
Well, I'm shooting for, if I had to, 3.
Oh, okay. Perfect, man. Got car seats that can go in here with anchors. Press this little button right here. Boom. Get the little one to the back, man, so they can go ahead and hang out, man. Hey, why don't you come on in, bro? I can sign you up. We can go ahead and start the paperwork, bro.
Say less.
Oh.